Okay, the Stihl sharpener, which is awesome. It has essentially two components to it. It has the round file, like you can see there, which is the same round file that you would normally use. You can buy in a pack of 3. It has to be the appropriate size for the chain that you're doing. And then the flat file in the middle. Key components of the chainsaw chain is the depth gauge, which is this little dot right there. Then the shiny part that you see there is actually the gullet, which is underneath what I'm referring to as the chisel. You can actually see this one a little bit better when it comes to the chisel. Okay, and so when you stroke this with the Stihl sharpener, the flat file addresses the depth gauge, while the round file goes into the gullet and then you lift up just a little bit, and then you can get right up underneath and it sharpens. You can usually tell that you're getting a good sharpen on there because you get a burr along the top of that chisel when you've done that, meaning you've removed a little bit of material underneath there, clean that edge up, and that what you've cleaned up kind of just rolls over on top of it. And then how this operates is, you'll see that there is an arrow on that. And how that sits is, it sits along the chain or the bar just as it's oriented, like this, at an angle. Because if you notice, those chisels are not straight across, they're at an angle. And the appropriate angle is as they would rest like that. And then as you stroke it, you're stroking it across, and you see the backside is the same angle. So it's just simply a smooth stroke. How you change these 3 components is you can just pop this open like this, and then inside of here are the components. Here's the round file end right there. Okay, easy enough. So it really is a very helpful tool. It makes the sharpening process very, very quick. So I use it all the time, 2 or 3 times a day when I'm out there, like this, when I'm cutting the brush for the fence. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that because this is the second time I've been out here today.